Wow, you won't believe how easy it is to create your own coloring book. Imagine turning simple outlines into fun, engaging, and professional looking coloring pages all from scratch. In these tutorials, I'll walk you through the exact method to design a high quality coloring book that's perfect for printing or for digital use. So, we're gonna get our prompt from ChatGPT. So we've got 15 detailed AI prompts for individual pages. So we're gonna need to copy the first prompt, and then we're going to this website called the Coloring Art. So you can just go to your search bar and search for Colorify AI art. So this is 100% free AI coloring page generator. So you just click on the first one that you see, and then you're gonna get a interface like this. So this is a totally free, so you don't need to pay anything, you don't need to sign up or do anything. The only thing that you need to just bring your prompt ready. So we're gonna come here to the prompt box. So you just delete what you find there, and then you need to just choose the type of the style that you need. So let's just first put our prompt that we got from ChatGPT, and then come to the style, and then we decide on which style we want to use. So let's just start with the cipher and see how is it going to generate the coloring pages for us. Okay, so we need to just decide on which size shape. I'm gonna go with a 3.4 because it's actually suitable for the 8.5 by 11 inches. So let's just click on there and generate. So we're gonna need to wait for some few seconds for the AI to process your coloring pages, so it's not gonna take long. Look how beautiful and clean that image is. Okay, so this is the cipher one. So we can just let's just go to pixel and see how is it going to generate. We just want to see the difference between all of these styles. Look at that, this is also beautiful. Let's just go to the chibi one, and then let's just generate. Oh, that's so cute, that's so cute. Okay, okay, like we can, let's just go to the fifth one, and then we click on generate. Very clean, very clean, with the same prompt. They're almost the same. And then let's just go to the next one. That's so beautiful. Let's just check the last one. Okay, that's so beautiful. Okay, just make sure that you download when you are done, and then you can also use the photo to coloring pages. So you're gonna go to your YouTube, your Canva, and then you click on customize size, and then you come here to change it to inches, and then you write down the all right, then we're gonna go to uploads. I'm gonna just bring them one by one into the pages. So let's just start with this one, and then we can just set the image as a background, and then it will be like that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and then we create the book. So we're gonna just put everything like this. And then you add another page. So we're gonna add this lady. Okay, and then we're gonna leave it like that, and then you just do this process until you are done. So this is going to look like this at the end. So you need to make sure, because this is the 15 pages book, which means you need to add some extra pages. So we're gonna add extra blank pages. So you just need to do like this. Okay, so when they are using this as when they are coloring this, so the ink won't be bleeding on the other pages, so it's not gonna we don't want that mess. So we want everything to look beautiful even after the coloring is done. So we're gonna just leave it like this. Okay, so our book is complete. It's going to look like, so this is how the book will look like, and this is beautiful. We came to the end of our tutorials for today. If you enjoyed these tutorials, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up and then you share the video, and also please subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, so that I can have a strength into creating more content. Thank you to those who have subscribed to my channels. I really appreciate you so much. Up until next time, goodbye.